Hi, this is Pete Meiser. This is part 2 of my 2-part video update on the sabbatical from my career that I've been taking. The first video was what have I been doing the past year. Now this one will be about what am I planning to do this upcoming year and how does that lead me back into a more normal career work path again. The first I'll mention, so I'm in the barn. This is one of the outcomes of this first year. And I'll also tell you that the thing I'm doing today that I've never done before is to plant peach trees. I got 9 new fruit trees yesterday. 2 of them are peach trees. I've never planted a peach tree or had a peach tree. I don't even know that I've seen a peach tree until I got these 2 yesterday. So that'll be one of the things that I'll be trying and learning in the upcoming years. So they are half buried out there right now. I will go finish that after this. But this is not about my little orchard. It's about my upcoming career path. I have a 3-layered plan for the upcoming year. If you think of it as a layer cake, first I bake up that first layer. Now maybe I stay in that layer for a long time or maybe forever. I land in that layer. Or I work my way into layer 2 and work through that for a time. From there, I stay or I work my way into layer 3. I'll of course explain what all 3 of these layers are here in a moment. This will play out over the coming year, and by mid-2025, I will have found a landing spot within 1 or more of these layers. The first layer is about building a new software product and bringing it to market as a new company. I've chosen 2 of my ideas to build out in this fashion. One of them is a long time coming, an idea I've had for a long time. I even started on it with a friend a few years ago. That kind of stalled out. I stalled out on that. It's almost 2 years ago now, I think, that I've really actively worked on that. So I'm looking forward to getting back into that. The second one is a newer one, newer to me as an idea. It's also in a newer industry, sort of a hot or growth industry the past 2 or 3 years. So I'm looking forward to trying my hand at that as well. Now this layer 1, it's not just about me trying to build out some product or some company. It's also very much about me building me again. In the past 30 years, in my heart and in my mind, I've been a software engineer, but almost that entire time I've been called into leadership roles within software engineering, and I've let that pull me a layer or sometimes more away from the actual software engineering itself. Now I did address this a bit 10 years ago. On the side, nights and weekends, I built a couple of mobile apps just for fun. I released them on the Apple App Store. Again, little things just for fun, niche apps. I learned a bit doing that, but there was so much more that I could do or I could have done that I will now spend a bit more time on. And also that itself was now a long time ago. That itself has gotten old. So I'll be in effect rebuilding my credentials as a full stack software engineer. Now I may not do that forever or the rest of my career or full time, but I might, or even if not, still refreshing my own hands-on keyboard, as they say, skills there. I'm much looking forward to, and it will help me in whatever and everything else that I do going forward. Which leads to the second layer. So most new businesses, most startups, they don't find their audience, or they don't have a market fit really, or they struggle to develop themselves as a business model or to commercialize themselves, or any of the many reasons why they stall out or don't come to fruition. So if and as that comes to me, I will take what I've learned and offer product build for hire. This is what I did when I went to United Health in 2011 for about 10 years, building new products, mostly with new companies in mind, supporting them, getting them operational. I have a lot to offer in that area, and I have some new ideas of ways to build new products better that I've yet to try and to prove. Now I'll be trying and proving them a bit in layer 1, and I'll be able to bring those to market themselves as part of layer 2 if and as that develops. The third layer, so if those layers don't bake up into how I would like, most of my career has been spent with just two very large companies. Now, I've had a lot of clients or projects or products or departments across those two companies, but in each case, I was dedicated to those companies for well over 10 years. So layer three for me is I look for that next company to commit to and join as an employee, probably again within software engineering, perhaps data, perhaps new product development types of things. Now, I also have another pillar on the side here, or maybe it's a side dish. I'll have to work on my metaphors. Maybe I'll do some more videos as well. One set of topics could be information technology, software engineering, data, careers thereof. Essentially what I've been covering here about me, but what I've been covering these first couple of videos. Or I could do topics on tools and implements in the outdoors, essentially what I'm surrounded by here right now as I speak. Or a third big topic would be consumer technology and related. I will finish by saying thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your interest in me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video or in person and or maybe in one of these layers.